always like to get everybody involved. But let's go ahead first and introduce these teams. A new name, definitely not new to the game. Coming out of the Coleman Youth Development Academy, Team 33705B, your reigning state champions for the teamwork challenge 5-star Cheesy Luigi. Their team up with a new team once again from a coach who does this before. Two veteran team from programs coming in, even though ES is new. Their team up with Team 1789 OB, the Flying Pigs. So you're all going to make sure you count down with me when we get to count. We're going to start. I got questions in the field. You can see he knows what's going on. Inspecting the field. And you see he can't do it, it's up to him to do it. And as I tell the kids, question everything. Question everything. With a score to beat Cheesy Luigi, the Flying Pigs, are you ready? They're ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Y'all count down with me from 3, 2, 1, go! Immediate loading into the ball right here. Getting lined up for a shot. As you see that it takes dragging all the way to the top here. Both of them get ready for a shot. Right behind, one down low in tandem here. Ball being passed across the field. One's already loaded up here. Here comes another pass. Two of those are already introduced into the field. Looks like they're maybe going for a pass. They take the point. Oh, the shot was caught slightly off the money. With that goes, they're going to go right back to you. That turn driver in switching. 3, 2, 1, switch. That will count the pass. Here comes another shot here. Shot high, and that was good as well. They're going for another one to go. They're calling for a pass with 20 seconds left. Got to make some decisions here. They're going to get through another. See these stuck together. As the rubber bands are stuck the window. Unfortunately, they can get out of here. 10 seconds left. Can't make a decision here to fix this. 10 seconds remaining. And I'm not sure they're going to get 3 here.